Hi guys, this is Ritzy here and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to make this really cute fox nail art tutorial. This is super easy and fun to make. So, let's go! First, let's add some base coat over every single nail. We are going to paint all our nails except the ring nail with 2 coats of dark blue polish and then 1 coat of glittery polish. For the leaf design, first we're going to draw the leaf with white polish. Now cover all the white with orange, and before it dries, add some yellow polish at the center and kind of mix it so we can create dimension. Now add the details with black polish. Some top coat and you are done. For the ring nail, let's apply 2 coats of your favorite gold nail polish. And now let's apply 2 coats of gold glitter polish. Add some top coat and you are done. For the fox design, we're going to start making the silhouette of the fox with white polish. Guys, right now it looks like I'm doing Yoda from Star Wars. Now paint the entire fox with orange polish. Now with white polish paint the belly, the outer part of the eyes and the inner part of the ears. With black polish, draw the eyes, the paws, and the nose. and you are done. For the pumpkins design, we are going to paint with white polish 3 little pumpkins. Now I'm going to paint 2 pumpkins with orange polish and 1 pumpkin with yellow. Now add the details with dark brown polish. And then paint the leaves with green polish. Add some top coat and you are done. And for the big pumpkin design, we are going to start painting the pumpkin with white polish. Then paint the pumpkin with glittery orange polish. And finally, add the details with black polish. Add some top coat and you are done. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell button below. Bye!